how to add tracking number in Shopify. So the first thing we want to do is go to our orders, and the way we do this is we go to the left hand side, and right under home we can see orders. We want to click on that, and I've made this example order here which is unfulfilled, so we're going to click on that one. And as you can see, one of the first things that show up here is fulfill item, so we want to click on that, and that will take us to this page. And now we want to click again fulfill item, and now we can add a tracking number. From here we just click on add tracking, and here we're gonna fill in the tracking number and the shipping carrier. And you can also add multiple ones to this, and once you're done you just click on save, and then you can go ahead and send the details to your customer, and you can save this order in this way. So then that's how you do it, and that's how you add a tracking number in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.